Which is the smallest bird in the world? The answer is B. Hummingbird. It is only 5 cm long and it weighs less than 2 grams. Their eggs are also very lightweighted. It is only 25 milligram. Note, it is 25 milligram, not gram. Which is the largest bird in the world? The correct answer is ostrich. They can grow up to 9 feet and weigh up to 145 kg. They can't fly. Their eggs are also world's largest egg, and a single egg can weigh up to 1.35 kg. Imagine, even a single egg can weigh up to 1.35 kg. OMG. Which bird has the longest beak compared to their body size? The answer is sword-billed hummingbird. It is the only bird whose beak is longer than its body. The beak is about 3 to 4 inches long, which help the bird to collect nectar from flowers. Which bird has one-eyed vision? The answer is crow. Both the eyes of crows are fully functional, though they use only one eye at a time because it can see better with only one eye than with both the eyes. So though they have two eyes, but actually they have only one-eyed vision. Which bird has highest flight height? The answer is Rüppell's vulture. This bird can fly at an altitude of 37,000 feet, that is 11,300 meters above sea level. These birds are found in Sahel region and East Africa. Which bird can't rotate their eyes? The answer is owl. This is because their eyes are tubular in shape, which are held tightly in place by bones. Which is the only poisonous bird in the world? The correct answer is hooded Pitohui. This bird eats both plant and animal, including insects. One of such insect is a beetle named coricin, which is a responsible source of bird's toxic property. This toxin in high dose can lead to paralysis and even death. Thanks for watching.